Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today video I'm gonna show you the tool we help you to auto-bot on Twitter without getting banned. Okay, so this is my tool we're using to manage and using multiple Twitter accounts. So first of all is the account management function. So in this function you can add and manage a limited Twitter account that you want. So to auto-post on Twitter, we need to prepare content in this tool first. So I will go to content management function. So in this function you can add a new content about your post that you want to post. Okay, so next, after having a content in this function like this, you can go to policy management. So in here you can add doing a policy that you want. So each policy you can assign it to each account. So to change the IP address, so your account is more secure. Okay, so next I will go to posting function. So in here you can choose many options like personal post, post community, or see the history of post. Okay, so I will choose personal post. Okay, so next I will select the account that I want to go to post first. Like this. After that, I will set up the basic configuration. So first is a break mode time between interaction. I will set from 10 to 20 seconds. And next, I will select the content. This content I already add in the content management. And because I just choose one content and I will need to allow duplicate content between action and account. After that, I will set up the number of posts each account will post. And you can choose add hashtag. And you will enter hashtag you want in here, or you can tag someone that you want and you will enter the username of the account you want to tag, or you can interact to the post after posting. And after everything's set up, I press start and let the software do the work. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this tool or more information, you can contact me by Telegram or WhatsApp. And don't forget to like and subscribe for my channel to see more videos about automation software.